up, guys? It's Mikey Wax. Thanks for joining me here on my original song, You Lift Me Up. If you like it, be sure to check it out on iTunes and spread the word, and I'll retweet you on Twitter and all that good stuff. Here we go. I see clear just like a picture on the wall, and now I know how to steer. I'm not afraid if I should fall, yeah.
It took some tears up, but together we're strong. And now I feel a burning beat inside my heart.
And I feel alive for the first time in my life. Oh baby, I feel alive tonight.
You lift me up before I fly too far. You lift me up, you help me see the stars. You pick me up when all my hope is gone. You lift me up, you lift me up, you lift me up. Living the fear, I can see the horizon. Just feel the way on the war every time I try to run.
But you helped remind me who I am and where I'm from, and now I feel a burning beat in my heart.
Yeah, I feel alive for the first time in my life. Oh baby, I feel alive.
You lift me up,
You let me go too far. You lift me up, you help me see the stars. You pick me up
when all my hope is gone.
You lift me up, you lift me up, you lift me, you lift me, you lift me up, you lift me.
Been through the fire, but we walked out the pain. Yeah, we kept reaching high. You were with me all the way.
Not turning back now. We are so loved tonight, tonight, tonight. Oh. See the stars, you lift me up
when all my hope is gone.
You lift me up, you lift me up,
you lift me,
you lift me, you lift me, you lift me up, you lift me up.
Air guitar solo. Thank you guys so much for the support.
Thank you.
Join me on my other songs.
Subscribe to my channel. Please.
See ya.